Good morning, what's up buttercups? How are you guys doing on this magnificently golden day? So, the last video was of me telling you guys that I got this golden Mercedes AMG pretty much for a steal, but I didn't tell you guys everything that was wrong with it. And a lot of you guys were also telling me that it was gonna explode, it was gonna blow up, blah blah blah, all that. And so in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly what's wrong with this car, because there's a lot. I literally wrote a list, like a whole list. Oh my gosh. Okay, so number one is that it has a salvage title. Oh yeah, look at that. Orange zip tie, orange zip tie. Look at that. It looks like literally art behind there. Just, oh yeah. Golden. Gloriousness. Compared to before, that looks so much better. Oh yeah. These windows are so dark. Look at it. Completely illegal. Like I literally cannot even see inside. And so I'm gonna have to take those off now. So we're in the car, and yeah, like I said, it has a salvage title. That means it doesn't have a clean title, and that means it wasn't an accident. And I knew about that because as you guys saw, it wasn't a, I think, front end collision, or it ran into someone. I don't know what happened, but the headlight was not there, the bumper was gone, a bunch of other things were destroyed, and so that was pretty much, it was written off as a salvage title repairable car, and the previous owner repaired it and began to use it for a while. I knew that, but that didn't affect the engine. This thing has a strong engine, and yeah, like the engine is fine. That's the most important part of the car. Some other things though start to get worse from there. So next is that the hood release doesn't work, and I'll show you guys exactly that now. Okay, so that was the hood release. And yeah, it's broken off, and so I literally cannot pull this thing to open, and it's a disaster. So next on the list are the numerous amount of check engine light codes on this car. So I'm just gonna pull my OBD2 scanner up, and I'll show you guys exactly how many check engine codes are, because yeah, there's a lot. This is my OBD2 scanner port thingy, and I'm gonna plug it into the underside of the car. Read. Yep, look at all that. Oh yeah, all the golden codes. Oh shoot. So this one is air induction system malfunction. Let's see, P106, barometric pressure problem. Let's go back. Fuel tooling. Pedal position sensor. Yeah. There's like 5 or 6 different check engine light codes, but it's totally fine. I promise. I'm just gonna turn it off. It's totally fine. Nothing so far has affected the performance of the car. Apart from one thing that I think I was supposed to fix, and the previous owner gave me that, and I'm gonna fix it whenever I can get the trunk open. There's an airbag light on because the airbag light deployed. There's dents on the side, which I'm gonna show you right now. So over there, you guys can see, I think that was one of the places of impact of the last accident, so I'm gonna need to fix that. Also, the window does not work. The rear windows do not work, and yeah, so there's like holes there because this whole thing is supposed to come down. This thing doesn't have a B pillar, and so the whole thing is supposed to be able to come down, but it cannot because the motor is bad, and so I'm gonna need to change the motor. For the right side as well, exactly the same problem too. It has a bad, what's it called, motor for the back windows, because again, this whole thing's supposed to roll down. Boom, not there. What else? I also had to replace this as well, because that's a fuse box place. It also came out, and so I changed it with the parts of another Mercedes. Ooh, also the rear seat belts don't work. I forgot to mention that. I mean, they kind of work, but anytime you're putting it on, it's really weird. It doesn't like tighten back, so it just gets longer and longer and longer. It also needs new brakes as well, front and rear. They are destroyed. Like whenever I slow down, I have to like for it to slow down. But the good part about most of this is that I found a parts car where I'll be able to swap out stuff from. And so what's it called? I'm gonna swap out probably the hood release. I'm gonna swap out the motors for the rear windows. I'm gonna probably also swap out a few other interior bits that might not be perfect. I might need to also swap out the gauge cluster, because that also something like the speedo is not working for the old gauge cluster, so I'm gonna swap out a new one. What else? There's a few things, but I think that's pretty much it. Electronically though, this car is perfect. It's golden, and just listen to that V8. But apart from everything that I mentioned, the not working windows, check engine lights and everything, the car is literally perfect. And I'm so excited to reveal the plans, because in the next, I don't want to make this video too long, but in the next video I'm gonna reveal the plans that I have for this golden Mercedes CLK 55 AMG. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this golden video, and I will catch you guys on the next magnificently golden drive. Bye.